Good evening, guys. I decided to buy this exhaust tip for my Honda Pioneer 500 2015 to hopefully change the exhaust note just a little bit, a little deeper, a little throatier. Appalachian Mountain Riders has already done this, but I'm going to do something a little different. I'm not going to go as big as he did. This is 1 3/4 inches. And it fits just inside of there. I think he went bigger. It's hard to tell from his video and he doesn't state it. So I'm going to get this cut off of here and then go ahead and do the 1 3/4 inches. And if you watch his video, it's kind of a pain in the butt once you get into the core here. You got to twist it out and all that. But yep, we're going to do it. I don't know if the camera's picking that up. There it is, 1 3/4 inches. That cut off of there. I'm going to try to center that, hold it. And get that cut through the first layer. I'll have to get a pair of channel locks or something in there to twist that core out. Alright, this took a while, but we're finally through. So just take your time with that. If you're using a 1/2 inch drill like I am, make sure you don't break your arms. But, so, it's still pretty tight in there, so I think I need some channel locks now. Watch Appalachian Mountain Riders video. When he pulls this core out, it's just tack welded in there. So stick a piece of something in there and just keep working it. Take the vice grips, so the rounded edge, clamp it on and roll it out. Roll it out. Kind of use it as leverage. Mine's pretty loose in there right now. It's pretty loose. Let me turn the light on. Okay, I don't know what the light is. Anyway, you can see that it's loose. So just got to keep working on it. On the bottom, stick a screwdriver in there and pry them open. Alright, since I cut my 2 slots in there with the screwdriver, it twisted and came right out. That's what it looks like. And there's my 2 cuts with the screwdriver. Alright. So, I'm going to try to clean this up a little bit and bend this back out. Alright, it's like 110,000 degrees in my garage, but that's okay. Summertime in Missouri. But I'm all excited I got it back together. I'll be honest, it wasn't easy. Some of the stuff that doesn't line up, you gotta stick a scratch awl in there and bend it down, put it in there. You're just gonna have to experiment with the thread size, drill it out, tap it. I'm not even sure what the heck I used. As you can see, I had to use a different one right there, but there's the inside. All right, let's fire it up. right, success. Good luck. I like it so far. We're going riding tomorrow at Moonlight in Sullivan, Missouri. I'll make some videos out there.